You can download the art in the video for free, link in the description, or a crouch and crawl that changes the player's collision shape and movement speed. Go to the player script. Inside, we will add two constants and two variables. A constant is the same as a variable, but you can't change it during runtime. Speed is the current speed that we are moving at horizontally, and it will be equal to either walk speed or crouch speed, based on the variable is crouching, which keeps track of the crouching state of the player. Inside the built-in physics process function, we will set is crouching to true if the player is currently pressing the down key and are on the floor, else we'll set it to false. We make sure to check if the player is on the floor, as otherwise the player would have crouching move speed when in the air and holding the down key. We will then also check if we are crouching. If so, then we set the speed to crouch speed, and we grab our player's collision shape and set the shape.size and position appropriately. Else, we set speed to walk speed and also set the shape.size and position appropriately. When setting the size and position of the player's collision shape, make sure that the bottom of the shape is aligned between the two different states, as otherwise the player may pop up and down as they push into the ground and ceiling collision. As for animation, we check if he's on floor, then we check if we are crouching or not, and we also check if the player is not moving, then run either crouch or idle based on is crouching. Otherwise, we run an animation for crouch walk or walk. All animations inside the animation player are simply frame by frame animation. Now you have a simple crouch and crawling system with changes to the player's collision shape and movement speed that you can add to any of your 2D platformer games. And don't forget that you can check out their project files, link in the description.